we'll guide you through how to use shaders with Forge mods. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you want to go and play with mods, but you also want to go and have shaders. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Let's go and close out of Minecraft like so. Now what we can do is go and close it and open up a web browser of your choice. I use Chrome, you could use Edge. To get started, go and search for CurseForge. Here we can go and get different mods for Minecraft. So come to curseforge.com. You can go and select Minecraft. Now, before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server so you can play with your friends, check out the link down below in the pinned comment and in the description. They've got some great features. For example, you can go and get a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server, support for your always online server, and automated backups. And you can even go and get mods on the Apex hosting server as well. So check them out down below if you're interested. We're going to be using something called Optifine. You may have heard of it, you may have not, it doesn't matter. But go and type it in, Optifine. Come to optifine.net, come to the top and go and press downloads. And you can press show all versions. So we're going to go and get, in this case, it for 1.21.11. You may need to get a different version depending upon if there's a certain version of mods that you want. We can then go and press download. You need to go and wait for the skip button to go and appear in the top right, which it now has. Then we're brought here and we can go and press download. Now let's just press back here and come to downloads again at the top. To go, a note here is where it says Forge. So we need to get this version of Forge. Let's open up a new tab and we'll come to the Forge site. So we'll type in Forge Minecraft. Find the versions. We got 1.21.11. So come to the left and find 1.21. Then we'll press 1.21.11. In all versions, press show all versions. And then we need to go and scroll down and go and find 6108. So we can go and see it's this one here, and you can press installer to the right. You're then brought to the add wall. Once again, wait for the skip button in the top right and go and press skip. It's been blocked. If I click on it, press download. I've had it before, it's safe. And then we can come back to CurseForge here. You can go and press browse all at the top. And what we can then do is go and find a mod we want. So I'm using Forge. So I'll go and use the Waystones mod for the guide. So I'll go and click on it. Then we'll go and press files. We need to make sure we get it for the right version. So the version was 1.21.11 and the mod loader is Forge. And here it is. We can go and press download to the right like so and wait. Once again, it's been blocked. So I'll click on it and press download a verified file. Then press search at the top and we can go and type in shaders. And you can then go and find a shader pack you want. I like the complementary shaders. So I'll click on this one here. We can go and press files at the top. These are actually very compatible. So we can then press download to the right and wait. You've now downloaded what you need, so you can come and close out of Chrome, open your file explorer and press downloads to the left. First of all, you need to go and find the Forge installer and you need to double click on it. You need to go to java.com and go and download Java for desktops. Then try doing the right click again. That still doesn't work. Try doing something called a jar fix. We've got a video on our channel you can check out. Then you should get Forge open and you can press install client and press OK and let this complete. It's now finished. We'll press OK. Press search at the bottom and open the Minecraft launcher. Go to the top and press installations. Scroll down until you find Forge. Press the folder icon to the right. Now you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find mods just here. Double click on it. Then we need to go and drag in the mod we got, which was Waystones. You may have others, and also Optifine like so. Now what you can do is go and find Forge and press play to the right. So this mod actually requires Balm, so I'm going to quickly get that and put it straight into the mods folder. We've now successfully opened it. Let's come into a world. If we open my inventory, you can see Waystones. Now for shaders, pause the game by pressing escape and press options and video settings and press shaders. Press shaders folder and then click on your file explorer and you want to go and press downloads and go and drag in the shader pack like so. Then you can go and double click on it. And as you can see, we're now using shaders with Forge mods.